Ano lang to?
Pega natin ito.
Tabuha for the rebound, pass to Brahim. Brahim doing the ball. Pass to number 0. Oh, traveling violation, substitution. Brahim. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. He scored 47-28. Winters. Magno open. Basket down. Colin Brown. Magno for 2. 1 minute and 8. Castro. Fake. Tabuha. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Ayun, tabigan. Jump ball. Araw possession. Bola ng Magic 8. Villanueva. Pass Ortiz. Ortiz driving the ball. .9 seconds remaining. Starting game block. And Castro. Pass to Naim. And Tabuha. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 08. Socho. Penalty. Socho third personal foul. 2 free throws for Tabuha. Last 44 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Unang tira sa fly. Manager, hindi nagana tong ano mo.
Cord.
Yung court mo, Manager Chris. Pre, hindi gumagana yung ano mo, yung charger mo. And sablay. Blue ball pa rin. Last chance, Magno. 12.7 to shoot. Ayun, Aguilar.
Pag naikot siya, ay ito naman.
Kabli.
Foul number 08, Socho. Fourth personal foul, substitution.
Magagalaw talaga ang problema kasi.
Hinabaan ko na nga eh.
Hindi mo kailangan pa. Kailangan siya.
Hindi, maiksi siya kanina.
2 free throws for Aguilar.
Nawala.
Nang dirabasok. Last throw.
Na-post mo, hindi?
Hindi pa. Yung ito lang, ano, bigla kasi namatay siya eh.
Dapat inaabatan mo.
Substitution.
Alam ko na, nag-4 ka.
41.5 seconds remaining. 49-30 ang ating score. And Magno driving the ball. Pass to Fuentes. Pass to Ortiz. Toward the shoot. Ayun, Aguilar. Ayun na, pahutan. Basket count. 20 seconds. 17. Villanueva, ayun na, Rangkon. Angat. Basket count. 12. Five. Three. Sumablay. And that's the end of the second quarter. Score 51-32.
51-32 po, 51-32. Labang po ang Magic 8.
Okay, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And this is Sports Sindicato Basketball Tournament. Pakipollow po yung page. Next opening po natin, magkakaroon tayo ng raffle dun sa mga nakapollow sa page. Ayun na, Brahim for try. Sumablay, pahutan for the rebound. Take off, may sumampay. Foul number 24. Gutang. First personal foul. And pahutan is shooting two.
Wala makakatusan tuloy. Yung pati sila lumipat eh. Hindi tayo makapagbigay tuloy ng gandong product.
Oo, nandito sa blind. Last throw. Sablay, ayun, 8 ball. Paso number 14, angat, Sablay, 8 ball, turn around, shot is good for two. Ayun na, Piñero. Meron ng foul na ginawag kay number 27. Ayun na, Bauto. Paso Piñero. Itinawed. Piñero driving the ball. 14 to shoot. 10. Ayun, Guntang. Sablay. Aguilar. 4. At meron foul. Ay binawag kay number 27. Second personal foul. 2 free throws for Aguilar. Oh, nang tiro busok. Last throw. Ang basket coming from Aguilar. Ayun na, Brahim. 53-34 ang ating score. And number 27 driving the ball. The running shot is good for two. Magno receiving the basket. Magno driving the ball. Traveling. Ayun lang. Hindi mo na pwedeng i-dribble yun. Inbound violation ang tawag doon. Piñero. Piñero pa rin. 14. Pass Magno. Pauto open. Patented shot is good. Brazil. 8 minutes and 30. Ayun na. Pahutan for three. Bang! Pahutan for three. And this table shot is brought to you by Gandur Company, our major sponsor. And Piñero driving the ball. 14 to shoot. Paso Aguilar. 10. Guntang open. Sumablay. Ball for the rebound. Ball pass to number 27. Paso Pahutan. Ayun, and push it down. Coming from Pahutan for two. Piñero. Running shot. Sablay. Ball. Pass to Brahim. Brahim passes ball. And it brought timeout. Magic Ballers.
Score po natin. Magic 55, RS 43.
Ayun ang Fuentes. Yung Paso Aguilar. 14 to shoot. Pinheiro open. Ganda ng assist. And supply. Rebound. Tapikan. Foul number 27. Villanueva pushing foul.
Yung mga chips kahit sa box na lang. Sa box na lang. Tapos yung cheesecake. Tapos videoan nyo ha. Videoan nyo.
Oh, backing violation. Oh, dito mo nilabas eh. Oh. Oh, backing violation yun. Oh, backing yun. Backing yun. Nasa loob na. Nasa loob na. Binalik sa'yo. Pasa. Nasa loob na siya. Ayun na, Fuentes. Paso Aguilar. Paso Magno. 8 to shoot. 5. 2. And ayun na, number 27, lilipat. Sumablay, Magno. Dribbling the ball. Ayun lang, tapon sa baw. Ayun na, Brahim. Ayun, pasit ball. Basket down, Johnny Brown, may ball. Dumidikit, 55-45, 10 point lead. And Fuentes. Ayun, nice steal coming from Brahim. Brahim, Porter. Ayun na, Fuentes. Ayun, steal. Counter steal coming from Villanueva. Adam ng ball. Number 14. Tatlo isa. Magkaroon ng advantage. Aguilar receiving the basket. 14. Ayun, still coming from Bahutan. And Bahutan dribbling the ball. Pass to Brahim. Open for try. Sumablay. Rebound. Magno. Magno dribbling the ball. And tapo ng sabaw. Ayun na, Brahim. Pass to number 27. Pass to Bahutan. 14 to shoot. Back to number 27. 10. Brahim. Portrait. Sumablay Aguilar. At meron ng foul na dinawag. Ay number 8. Aguilar. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Bahutan, Portre. Bang! Bahutan, Portre.
Tali mo kamo, tali niya. May tali naman yung shot eh. May tali naman yung shot. May tali naman pati yung shot.
Ayun na, Buentes stealing the ball. Ayun, last shot. Ayun na, Ibrahim. Paso Bahutan, Portre. Sumablay, rebound, ayun na, basket down, coming from it, 56-52. Oy! Basket down, time out! Magic Ballers. Pinasahan yung kalaban. The easy basket nga naman.
Okay, stop muna. Hayaan mo munang ma-restart natin yun para ma-resume.
Sunod.
Baka lobat din yan. Lobat.
Sige, ang videoan nyo yung nakaka-receive ng items. Ayan. Sabihin nyo doon sa nakaka-receive ng items, kaway-kaway. Ayun. Oo. Ayan. Penalty na, penalty. 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 Nandito Basok, last draw. Sumablay, rebound, tingin-tingin Aguilar. Paso number 27. Ayun, naangat Sablay, rebound by number 27. Sablay ulit. Magno, paso Fuentes. And Fuentes with the ball. Paso Aguilar. Back to Magno. 14 to shoot. 10. Piñera open. Sumablay, Bahutan for the rebound. And Bahutan winning the ball. Bahutan pa rin open. Sumablay. May pushing foul doon. Binonggo ni Arangkon. Warning pa lang. Warning pa lang. Warning pa lang for penalty. Warning pa lang for penalty. Third team foul kanina. Third team foul. Fourteen to shoot. Brahim. Paso Aguilar. 10. Bahutan. They scoop shot Sablay. And Arangkon. Foul na. Nandito Sablay. Kami from Arangkon. Last draw. sumablay. At meron double foul na itinawag kay number 14 Aguilar. And number 22 Magno. Aguilar, third personal foul. Magno, second personal foul. Wala, double foul yun. Equal yun, equal. Oy, tignan mo yung kasama mo, sinesay niya saan ka. Ayun na, number 27. Dribbling the ball, back to Brahim. 14. Brahim. Uy, ang ganda ng lisot. At merong foul. Foul number 03. Pauto. Penalty na yan, penalty. Both teams are in penalty. 2 free throws for Brahim. Oh, nandito pasok. Last throw. Basket coming from Brahim. Ayun na, Fuentes. Paso Magno. Fifteen to shoot. Paso Magno. Ayun, steal coming from Brahim. Brahim, in the ball. Paso, ting-ing-ing-ing. Aguilar. Change favor na tayo. Pauto receiving the basket. Pauto for three. Bang! Pauto from downtown. For three. Ay na, pahutan. Fake and pump. Up, up. Hindi sinasadya yun. Hindi sinasadya yun. Hindi sinasadya yun. Kaya, idol? Okay lang? Okay lang. Penalty yan, penalty. Arangkon, second personal foul. Bahutan, shooting two. Sab. Substitution. And 2 free throws for Pahutan.
Layo ng free throw po. Ang layo pala mag-free throw nito.
Shooter eh.
Last throw. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na, Fuentes. Pass to Villanueva. Angat, basket count. John Brown, Villanueva. For two. Ibrahim, pass to Pahutan. Pahutan lilipad. And one. Basket count. Foul number 27, Villanueva. Second personal foul. Bonus shot for Pahutan.
Third pa lang.
Bonus shot.
Hindi na siya pwede sumobra doon sa buhit ng bilog.
Sabi nga dito sa point mismo eh.
Villanueva. Paso Pauto. Pauto for three. Bang! Pauto! For three. Ayun na. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. Coming from Itbal. Fuentes driving the ball. Fuentes pa rin. Fuentes pa rin. Foul ka na. Foul number 22. Brahim. Third personal foul. Substitution. Arangkon. Penalty na. Penalty. Oh, nandito pasok. Lastro. Basket coming from Fuentes. 100% shooting from the free throw line. Warning for delaying the game. 2 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. 67-63. 4-point lead. Ibrahim driving the ball. Pass to Bhutan. 12. Turnaround shot. Sumablay. And Pinheiro. Pass to Pauto. Pauto. Bibit. Drop it down. Coming from Pauto. Technical na. Sabi na, ayan nyo lang yung bola. Ayan, technical kayo.
Magkaiba.
Ayan, basket. Bola ulit ng RS yan. Bola ng RS. Pag na-shoot na, pabayaan nyo yung bola kahit saan tumabon. Ibrahim driving the ball. Pass to Gilar. Back to Ibrahim. And merong foul. Foul number 27, Villanueva.
10,000 yung Brad. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Ano kung mamay ka icing halit tapos na yun.
Mukhang malabo yung 10,000 na yun.
Naka-certificate na yun.
Malamang.
Malamang. Ano pa may nakasaan yun?
Sige.
Sinong Paul?
Villanueva. Walang tira pasok. Last throw. 1 minute 48 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Score 69-65. And Sumablay. Rebound pa uto. May foul. Apat na, Ibrahim. Apat ka na. Both teams penalty. Apat na, Ibrahim. Sige, pasok na.
Score po natin.
Tatlo na.
65.
Timeout nyo,
Magic 8 Bowlers. 69. 68.
Substitution. Pahutan.
Third quarter.
1 minute 45 seconds remaining.
69-65.
Nandito pasok. Last throw. Ayun, Sablay, rebound, number 27. And number 27 driving the ball. Ayun, steal. Pass to Pauto. Portrait. Sumablay. Ayun, tabi ka, nagawa ng bola. And number 27, pass 8 ball. Bola sa team. Nice defense coming from Fuentes. 18.7 to shoot. 8 ball. Pass to number 27. Portrait. Sumablay. Ayun na. Tumama na sa brace. Ayun na. Fuentes. Pass to Pauto. Open. Pauto. Sumablay. At may nang hawak. Ayos po. Dalawang free throw yan. Last ball possession. Alis kayo dyan, sir. Ayan, substitution. Ball possession yan, ball possession. 70-66. Ayan na, Castro. Meron ng foul. Foul number 8.
Dalawa yan!
Isang 8 siya na.
O, nang dirabasok. Lastro. Substitution.
Unto. Depensa, Carlos. 1 minute yan, pagdiin ang kaloko.
Ayan na, sa tuwito. Driving the ball. Pass Ortiz for Dre. Sumablay. And Castro. 47 seconds remaining. Castro. Angat. The floater is good. Coming from Castro. 70 tie game. And Pauto driving the ball. Pauto pa rin. Pull up. Sumablay. Tabua. And Nader driving the ball. Nader pa rin. Pass to Castro. Back to Nader. 14 to shoot. Pass it ball. For Dre. Sumablay. And Castro, yun na. Basket down. At lumamang na. 8 seconds. 6. 3. And that's the end of the third quarter.
Score po natin. RS 72. Magic 8 Baller 70. Lamang na po ang RS ng dalawa. End of the third quarter na po tayo. Fourth quarter na po to, fourth quarter. Lamang po ng dalawa yung RS.
Bola ng Magic 8. Ayan na, Aguilar. At meron ng foul na tinawag yung number 10, Castro. Third personal foul. Oh, nandito sa blind, Castro. Ayan, Sablay, Castro for the rebound. Castro dribbling the ball. And tapikan. Ayaw, nagawa ng bola. Sinipa na. 24. Ayan na, Aguilar. Paso Magno. And Magno. Angat, sumablay, rebound, tapikan, ayun na. Number 27 dribbling the ball. And number 27, angat. At meron foul. Body contact. Ay tinawag kay Aguilar, number 8.
Asan yung isa?
0-18. 0-18. Nang ano kay? Last draw. Ayaw, basket.
Bola, Castro. Aguilar.
Ayon, Phil. Magno. Paso Vendes. Ayun na, Pauto. And sumablay, Pauto for the putback. Is good for Phil. And Castro dribbling the ball. Ayon, angat, number 0, sablay, and rebound. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 10, Castro, fourth personal foul. Substitution. Second team foul na Ares, second team foul. Ang Magic 8 first team foul pa lang. Ayan, Magno dribbling the ball. At meron ng foul. Itinawag kay Aguilar, fourth personal foul. Third team foul pa lang, third team foul pa lang. Third team foul pa lang, apat na si Aguilar. Apat na si Bal.
Apat.
Ayan, Magno dribbling the ball. Sablay, Socho, angat, Sablay, Socho ulit. At meron foul.
Nice.
Foul number 27. Apat ka na rin. Number 27, apat ka na din. Apat na. Kanina 3, plus 1 ngayon, 4. And 2 free throws for Socho. Oh, nantira ka, boss. Last draw. Ayan, basket, kami from Socho. Ayan na. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Pass to Pahutan. Pahutan for 3. Sumablay, rebound.
22.
Foul number 22, Magno, 3 na. Third personal foul. Second team foul, 14 to shoot. Ayon, nice D. Number 27, pass Ibrahim. 8, 5. Bubukol ng 3, kapos, Socho. Ayan, pass ng Magno, good ball yan. Ibrahim with the ball, pass to Pahutan for 2. And pass break play, ayun na. And Pahutan dribbling the ball. Pahutan, pass to number 27. Pass to Pahutan again, Sablay. And Pauto angat, Sablay. Pauto ulit, Sablay. And Socho for the rebound. Socho. 3 seconds violation. Di ka umalis yan, Pauto. Hindi ka umalis. Time out! Torres.
Score po natin. Magic 73, RS 76. Lamang na po ang RS ng tatlo. Fourth quarter na po to. Fourth quarter.
Seven minutes 49 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayun na, Tabua receiving the basket. Tabua pa rin, driving the ball. Tabua, ganda ng assist. Aguilar, sumablay. Rebound, Tabigan. Ayun, dalawa sila. Ayun na, Villanueva. Driving the ball. Villanueva pa rin. Bola Zim, 16 to shoot. 16 to shoot. Aguilar. Paso Magno. Angat. Basket down. John Brown Magno for two. Tabua, back to Brahim. Brahim, dribbling the ball. Shot clock for 10. Brahim for 3. Sumablay. Tabua for the rebound. At meron ng foul. Ay ginawagay number 2, Fuentes. And 2 free throws for Tabua. Fuentes, second personal foul. Third team foul. Oh, nantira sa Blay. Last draw. Ayong basket. 77-75. 2-point lead for Team Manes. And Pinheiro dribbling the ball. Pass to Magno. 14 to shoot. Fuentes. Ayun, Tabigan. Ganda ng assist. Ayun na, Brahim. And first it down. Johnny Brown. Brahim. For two. Villanueva. Dribbling the ball. Villanueva pa rin. Ayun na, lilipad. First it down. Johnny Brown. Villanueva. For two. And Tabua. Dribbling the ball. Tabua, ikot, angat, sumablay. Last touch ka, Villanueva. 12.9 to shoot. 12.9 to shoot. Ayun na, Brahim. Pass to Tabua, back to Brahim. Ganda ng assist, pahuta ni Reyes. And Brahim. Pumukol ang dress. Sumablay. Ayun na. Tapikan, Tabua, uy, at meron foul na itinawag kay number 27, Villanueva. Warning for penalty. Villanueva, put personal foul. 5 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. 5 minutes and 56. Warning pa lang. Warning pa lang. Oh, warning pa lang. Dapat kasi hindi. Hindi, pagka ganun. 10. Traveling violation. Traveling. 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining sa ating game block. And Villanueva. Paso Magno. Magno angat. Ayun lang. Aguilar. 5 fouls. Penalty na yan. Penalty na yan. 2 free throws for Magno. Oh, nang dinubusok. Lastro. Basket kami from Magno. Substitution. Ayan na, Tabuwa. Driving the ball. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Substitution. Offensive yun, walang penalty sa offensive. Offensive yun, offensive foul. Five minutes, 33 seconds remaining, starting game clock. And Villanueva driving the ball. Paso Magno.
Ang layo ng tanggar mo.
14. Magno. Sumablay Pinheiro. Angat. Pass it down. Going round Pinheiro. Porter. 5 minutes and 12. Ayun na, ball. Driving the ball. Ayun, nabitiwan. Pupukol. Sablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Pahutan. Sablay. And it ball. And one. Basket count yun. Basket count. Foul number 03. Pauto. Bonus shot for it ball. Pauto, second personal foul. Both teams are in penalty. Bonus shot. Nothing but net coming from it ball. 4 minutes and 56. Fuentes. Back to Villanueva. Villanueva doing the ball. Ayun lang. Still coming from Pahutan. Ayun, counter still. Ang ganda ng assist. Ball! Hotel. Fuentes doing the ball. Fuentes pa rin. Ikot. Angat. Sablay. And good ball yan. And Brahim back to number 27. Passes ball. Pass to Pahutan. Portrait. Bang! Pahutan. Portrait. And Pinheiro doing the ball. Pinheiro angat. Sumablay. And number 27. Driving the ball. Passes ball. It ball. Sumablay. Ayun na, Pauto. Driving the ball. Pauto pa rin. Angat. Sablay. Put back by Villanueva. Sablay. Time out. Magic 8.
Score po natin.
Wala na kayong time out. Last time out nyo na yan.
87, Magic 81. 6 lead po. 6 lead.
Dito sa akin sila.
Ano na po ang lamang ng RS?
Kabila, wala na. Bigyan natin sa kanila.
Forty-seven seconds remaining. Starting game block. Score 87-81. Thirteen to shoot. 13 to shoot.
Idol, Castro. Buo kayo doon.
Ayan, Socho. 11.7 to shoot. 11.7 to shoot. Ayun na. Ayun, nice steal. Cameron Tabua. Pass to Brahim. And Brahim dribbling the ball. Pass to Bautan. Back to Brahim. Brahim fake. Brahim pass to... Oy, ganda na nga si Tabua. For 3 minutes and 28. Magno dribbling the ball. Magno pa rin. Ayun, nice defense. Napaganda pa. Basket dyan. Coming from Magno. For 3 minutes and 15. Ayun na. And number 27. Pass to Iqbal. Open. Basket dyan. Coming from Iqbal. And Magno. Hitting the ball. Magno pa rin. Angat. Overshoot. Rebound. Iqbal. Pass to Bahutan. And Bahutan. Pass to number 27. Back to Bahutan. And Sumablay. And Socho dribbling the ball. Offensive foul. Ay dinawag kay Socho. Foul. Walang penalty, offensive yun. Offensive yun. Walang penalty yun. 2 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. Ayun na, Brahim. Saving the ball. Ayun na, lukunsot. Meron ng foul. Ay dinawag kay number 2, Fuentes. Penalty.
Score po natin. RS 91.
Fuentes, third personal foul.
Magic 83. Magic 83, fourth quarter.
Nandiro Basok.
RS 92.
Lastro.
92 ang RS. Magic 83.
Ang basket coming from Brahim. Ayun na, fast break play. And Bahutan for the steal. Pass to Brahim. Brahim winning the ball. Shot clock 14.
Labang po ang RS.
Shot clock 10. Oy, ganda na kasi Sumablay. And Magno winning the ball. Magno pa rin ang Sablay. Pauto for the rebound. Pauto. Sablay pa rin. Rebound tapikan. Ayun na, number 27. Last 2 minutes. And Iqbal. Paso to Buwa. Pautan. Ganda ng assist. Basket down. Coming from Iqbal. Ayun na, fast break play. And Ibrahim. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 14 to shoot. 10. Tabua. Turnaround shot is good. 1 minute and 29. And Aguilar. Angat na bitiwan. And Iqbal. Pass to number 27. Pass to Brahim. Brahim for 3. Sumablay. Arangkon for the rebound. Dahil lang. Tapon sa bow. 1 minute 9 seconds remaining. $11 to shoot. 1 minute and 9. 11 to shoot. 8. Brahim for 3. Sumablay. 59.8 seconds remaining. 59.8. Time out. RS.
Score po natin. RS 97. Magic 83. Fourth quarter. 83. Magic 83. RS 97.
Okay, back to the ball game. 59.8 seconds remaining.
Shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood. 36,000 viewers.
Pasok na, pasok na.
Salamat po sa inyo.
Huwag mo nang yan ang ipal, hindi ikaw dito pal. Alam ko.
Ayun na, Aranggon. David Bet, pass it down, Gangram Aranggon. 97-85, 50 seconds. Pabukol ng Tres. Sumablay, Tabua for the rebound. Ayun na, Aguilar. And pass to Magno. Magno for 3. Sablay, tirang kapos. Ayun na. Shot clock, 12. Pauto for 3. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na, Brahim. Pass to Tabua. Pass to Pautan. 17 seconds for 3. Pahudan for 3. Bang! 9.2. For 3. Sumablay. And that's the end of our game. Congratulations. Sabi ko na, paano yung sigaw ni Sapi? May tayo sa kamayan tayo mga idol. Uy, kamayan tayo. Uy, Ares, kamay tayo.